As the 10th standard examinations began today, Karnataka ministers have said anyone violating the High Court ruling on hijab will not be permitted to write the tests. According to Home Minister Nagendra, anyone violating the rules would face action. Nagendra said, whoever violates the rules will face the action. We will not compromise on it. Everyone should obey the High Court order. Students have to remove hijab and write the exam. Primary and Secondary Education Minister B.C. Nagesh too expressed his views on the same lines. Asking the students to face the exams confidently without any fear, Nagesh said, police will naturally take action against anyone violating the government rules. I am confident that no child will give opportunity for such things. Advising students to not skip exams, former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy said, students of all faiths should write the exam by keeping their feelings aside. Do not skip the exams for any reason. More than 8.74 lakh students have enrolled to appear for the exam in over 48,000 halls in 3,440 centers across the state. The last exam is scheduled on April 11th.